Yo, so it's Thursday night, we're here at First Start Garage. Got Clarky here with us. Check out Clarky's whip. The boys worked hard on this. Got one of them, what are them engines called, Roy? You like them?
Two-stroke CA power.
It's got CA18 in it. Rocking some good power though, isn't it, Clarky?
Maybe.
Mate, nice little car, really solid. Cool little example. It's like a little S13 though. It's actually looking around like a bit of a toy workshop, isn't it? Got modified cars everywhere. But yeah, so tomorrow we leave and we go to Three Sisters Wigan. Today we've made a thing. It's not a grass collector, it's an air intake. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy! Was that fun? Right, it's Friday. Quite a big day. Big test. So we're on our way to Three Sisters, been on the road for about 45 minutes. And it's a big test for the van more than anything. So we have had a 6-hour round trip journey in it, but that was with the old axle and completely unloaded, so fully empty van. Whereas today we've got the new axle, lower revs, and we are fully loaded with trailer and car in the back. So far so good. It's pulling up hills quite happily. It's doing everything I've asked it to do. The turbo's a little bit loud. I don't know if you can hear that. Off throttle, on throttle. So the turbo's a bit whistly. I don't know if that's on its way out. I might have to check that. I mean, it is an old sort of truck engine, so maybe that's just how it is, but we'll have to see. But so far so good. I'm happy. Let's push on, get to Three Sisters and do some skidding. Hey up guys, so we just arrived at Three Sisters. Just said hello to Gordon who runs the event and the boys from Beacon Stove. Just pulled up in the car park. It's cold, just dug my hat out the back. I forgot my coat. I'm going to get the S13 unloaded and then might even have a beer. Morning everyone, we're here at Three Sisters. Beautiful sunny day. Quite excited. Car's warming up. Nitrous bottles on, just topping the fuel up. Van's been good as gold. Car's behaving itself so far. We're about to go and do our first run. Nervous but excited. Hopefully we'll have a good day. how's the day going so far? Smiling, so it's not bad. We've slayed one pair of Westlakes. We're on our second set. First lap was very sketchy, so we added a bit of a caster to the front because it wasn't self-steering. That felt instantly better. Excuse me. And we done a few more runs and just felt like it needed perhaps a bit more grip, so we went from I think it was at 30, noisy aren't they? We was at like 36 psi, we dropped down to 28 I think, and it started feeling better. And then we just went out 4 clicks down on the rear coilovers, softer, and down to 19 psi, and that car just took me for a drive. Oh my god, the difference, 4 clicks on the coilovers and a few psi on the tyres transforms this car. We held it on the first lap, but it was wild. Backy's coming in, oh, it was wild. Great fun, but if I was chasing, nah. And the second lap, I fluffed up coming into Luna. Didn't get the gear shift in when I needed it. But yeah, just 2 gripped up, so we've just gone 2 clicks back up. So we're now 2 clicks down, but 2 clicks up from where we was on those rear coilovers, and now we left the tyre pressure's the same, so we're going to go back out and try again. Let's go.